What's up, guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the Urban Survival Code before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you're going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Urban Survival Code works. What is Urban Survival Code? The Urban Survival Code is a step-by-step blueprint designed to help you and your family survive when urban systems fail. Created by Daniel Scott, a former mountain rescue officer, it focuses on practical, real-world survival strategies that don't rely on expensive gear or extreme tactics. Instead, the guide equips you with the knowledge to secure emergency shelter, find clean water, create stealth food storage, and maintain your mental strength when faced with urban chaos. It's tailored to people living in cities and provides the tools needed to stay safe when systems like power, banking, and communication break down. What makes the Urban Survival Code unique is its accessibility and practicality. The strategies inside are field-tested, simple to implement, and designed to be used in real-life emergencies. From securing your home during civil unrest to planning escape routes when roads are blocked, the code covers it all. The guide empowers families to take control, stay ahead of the crisis, and protect themselves without relying on government aid or external help. With this plan, you'll be ready for anything, even when the world around you unravels. How does Dark Reset Survival System works? Emergency shelter. Learn how to secure safe shelter in any urban environment, even using overlooked architectural loopholes. Water sourcing. Discover practical methods for sourcing clean water in cities, even when utilities are down. Stealth food storage. Create discrete food caches that are hidden in plain sight, even in small spaces like apartments. Mental conditioning. Build mental resilience and keep your family calm under pressure, reducing panic in a crisis. Escape routes. Plan and execute movement strategies when roads are blocked, militarized, or inaccessible. Digital disappearance. Learn how to disappear digitally in a surveillance-heavy city, protecting your privacy. Risk zones. Identify common places that become dangerous within hours of cities' collapse and avoid them. Low-cost survival tactics. Implement budget-friendly, high-impact survival strategies that can be easily acquired and used. Field-tested strategies. All tactics have been tested in real-life scenarios and adjusted for various environments, ensuring their effectiveness. Quick setup. The core plan can be absorbed in a short time, and key preparations can be made within a weekend.